Okay, we're going to do a waterfall braid on Kelly. This is another great way to keep the hair off your face in the summer. And instead of just throwing it into a ponytail, you can do a cute little braid. So you start it off like a regular French braid. And you want to cross it over a couple times just to get the braid started. And now with this strand, I'm going to leave kind of let down. And I'm going to pick up from her head a section of hair to cross over. And then I'm going to take from this side and cross over.
So should we do the same thing today?
I think so. How about you?
And then leave that one down. I'm going to pick up from this side again. And then cross over the top. Leave that one hang down. Pick up on this side again.
Yeah, I let it go.
Cross over. And then when you get so far back, you just take another bobby pin, put it around the braid, and push it up in there. And then we'll take the quick dry, American quick dry, and we'll just do a little bit on here just to help hold it. There you have a waterfall braid.